This is Paranormal Short Session 5 by Keith Evans. I'm at the old steam engine 11, part of the St. Joe Lumber and Export Company, Port St. Joe, Florida. I'm here using my new piece of equipment. The Onvoy. Today is Tuesday, 14th of June, 2022. There's no shady area nearby, but I'm going to be using the Onvoy here, and it's on for letters. So hopefully a ghost or spirit will spell a word for us. And I'm going to go ahead and start out at 12. We're about at 12 noon where the white line is, and the bottom is at about 6 o'clock if it was the face of a clock. And only the sensitivity is turned up for tapping. So I'm hoping the ghost or spirit will do whatever they need to tap and choose a letter to spell a word. I think we got one word while I was turning it up. One letter. Let's see what that letter could be. It's a C. We got another letter. I. Let's look at the wheels. It says Birmingham. I got it. I don't know what the bottom letters say. We're next to a outdoor air conditioning thing, so I'll try to get away from that. You see it right there. I don't know if that's choosing any of my letters or not, but I'll get away from that for now. When it was cooler out, that was not on. C and I are the two letters I've got so far. Here's the back of the old train, the coal car. I'm not sure whether it's a coal burning or wood burning. Maybe it's a combination of both. If it's steam locomotive, I guess they could utilize both. Little wooden plaques there between the coal and lumber car and the actual engine. On this side, it looks like Southern Birmingham. I don't know whether that was a railroad company at one time or what. Looks like there was all types of gizmos up there to adjust. I don't know if you can pick it up as well as I can. You see some of them from getting positioned to where the light is behind it. That might take out some of the detail with the glare, at least for me. I wait for the little railing to hold on to get up and get down. There's a little metal step. Don't look like we have any more letters. A C and an I. Is anyone here today that worked on this steam engine? I don't know the name of any of the engineers. Would you be able to tell me your name? You can see where it's rusted through at the top. You can see daylight. It's getting really thin up there. And it's rusting here at the bottom too. This has just been thin sheet metal. You can see it there if I turn the angle a little bit. You can see in from this side here. So you could get out there and then walk along here. Well, that's cool. That's your little bell up there. Your little whistle. All right, ask me a question. Well, I'm going to turn it up until I get to maybe 2 o'clock and 8 o'clock. Okay, if it would be a clock, it would be about, the face would be at 2 o'clock for the one, and at the bottom area it'd be at 8 o'clock. Okay, I got 2 more letters. 3, C-I-O-T-C. C-I-O-T-C. I don't know what that spells. If anyone at home knows what that spells, leave a comment. I got it's rattling off here. C-I-O-T-C-V-C. Seems to like the C's. Well, I don't think we're near any electrical things that would cause this to just jump off the charts. It's supposed to be manipulated by tapping, and it is CVC IJKM. That doesn't really mean anything to me. Is anyone at home, if that is an acronym to anything that you know that relates to what I've been talking about, or the train company or something, or train equipment or train repairs, please let me know. Leave a comment. It's like QDEKNT. Was the last 6 QDEKNTL. To me, it's not spelling any words. It's just rattling off mumbo jumbo. QDEKNTLXZC. STV. Anyway, I think I'm going to go ahead and just turn it up to yes and no. Are you just playing with me with just picking consonants that aren't have anything to do with words? Looks like I got a yes multiple times. Yes. Yes, I'm really gonna know. See, it's just rattling off. It's only turned up on 2 o'clock at the face of a clock, and 8 o'clock, so it should just keep rattling off like that. I'm not even asking questions. It's bouncing back between yes and no. So yeah, I'm gonna turn it off. It's just getting jibber jabber. I don't know if there's some type of electrical current in this area buried underneath the ground that's causing that or what, but I'm gonna go ahead and end for now. I'm not sure. We're about 12 minutes. Anyway, this has been Keith Evans. I'm at the this is the Paranormal Short Session 5 at the old Steam Engine 11 here in Port St. Joe. Get back in front of the old engine, and it seemed like with the Onvoy turned up to position of a clock 2 to 8 in the position, it was just rattling off both constants that didn't make up words and yes and no's even when I wasn't asking questions. So I went in and turned it off. But this has been Paranormal Short Session 5 by Keith Evans at the old Steam Engine 11 in Port St. Joe, Florida. Today is Tuesday, the 14th June, 2022. I'd like to thank everyone for watching my Paranormal Short Sessions on YouTube. Name of my channel is Paranormal Short Sessions by Keith Evans. And I hope you will like, subscribe, and please leave a comment, especially if any of the gibbers is some type of acronym that I missed. All right, thank you very much. Have a good day.